I'm not a baker by any means. Haven't baked anything ever. I want to do any and everything with my daughter just so that she can see that she can do any and everything.
When you're baking, it's only a matter of time before the big Y makes an appearance. That's right, sports fans, it's yeast. Watch as Skye has her first experience with the smelly side of this key ingredient.
And then we have platinum yeast from Red Star, which is the thing that's going to make it bouncy and beautiful and fantastic. So I'm gonna cut these. I'm gonna give you one, and you're gonna pour it in. Straight in. And this is an instant yeast, so you don't have to like put it in water first. You just mix it in with everything, so it makes it super easy. That's the whole point of this, delicious and easy. So go ahead, just dump it in, and you'll see. Hey Skye, look how weird this stuff is.
Huh?
That's
it
the
looks
stuff
like
that
sand.
It does. It totally looks like sand.
Put sand in your bread.
But it doesn't taste like sand, which is good. So now you're gonna take this, Skye. Do you know what this is called? This is called a Danish dough hook, but we'll call it Skye's dough hook. And it helps you stir up ingredients for bread. So you're just going to twirly and whirly it around in there.
Good. All right, you do that. I'm gonna play with the powder, the flour.
And you're just gonna mix it up.
It smells like pig mac and cheese.
Does it?
All right, let me try some.
And so you're just gonna you're essentially mashing it up with this thing.
I see where you're going with the mac and cheese smell.
Do you? I think it's the yeast.
I see where you're going with it. You got a good nose over there, Scooby.
Yeah, you do. She'd make a good sommelier.
A what?
The wine expert.
A sommelier.
Sommelier. We'll call it a sommelier, but
What's it really called?
A sommelier, but it sounds like smellier, so
okay.
I think that's a better word for it.
All right.
Okay, so if it looks like this, yes. If it looks like that, you're good.